how to set price alerts on Google Flights. Hello everyone, welcome to another Google Flights tutorial. So in this tutorial, you will be learning how you can set price alerts on Google Flights. So in previous tutorials, I advised that for you to find cheap flights on Google Flights, ensure you set price alerts so that you can know when the flight has dropped. So now how can you set this price alert? It's very simple. The first step is to head over to your Google Flights account. So if you have a Google account, you definitely have a Google Flight account since Google Flights is connected to your Google account. So once you're on your Google Flights page, by the top right corner, you will see your Google account this page. Okay. And so in order for you to set your price alert, the first step is to move to the flight position, to the flight tab, and then select the kind of trip that you want, enter in all of the details, and then click on search. So after clicking on search, you'll be brought to the search page where you'll see details about the flights, such as the kind of airlines, the price, the times, the connecting airports, duration. You'll see dates grid as well as price graph, sorry. So once you can see the price graph and dates grid by the right side, move to the left side, you'll see the option track prices. All right. So you can see the time range that you can use to track the prices, and then just click on this toggle and then it will be turned on. Once it is turned on, it shows that the price alert for this particular flight has been turned on, and then by then you will begin to receive price alerts by visiting the tracked flight prices section in your Google Flights menu. And where it's located, by the top left corner, you see three horizontal lines. Click on it, and then you see the option tracked flight prices. So by clicking on tracked flight prices, you'll be receiving price alerts on this page whenever the price drops or whenever the price increases. So this is how you can turn on price alerts for flights on your Google account. It's very simple. So ensure you try it out. Okay. Thank you for watching and have a good day.